Hi everybody, this is Keith House today. I'm going to talk about in the kitchen here. And we're down in the garage. And Teresa work. Today I want to talk about how to cook and stay on by itself. That'll take about 4 hours. Not the stove. It's the microwave. Okay. So what you know I'm going to show you in the bridge. This is how to cook in the microwave. Okay. I'm going to turn this thing. We can see how that. This is what's a good stop. Right? So between that home and the work, we had cookers in suburb of microwave. So I'm gonna sit down and take the rest of the minute. So, okay. So very close to you guys, you see better now. Okay. So what you do? I'm gonna cook in the microwave, and not the stove. I can't have the stove. I can't cook it. So what you do? Here's the microwave. You see the here's the microwave right here. This is microwave. It still look good. So alright. There's a smell right here. My pot. So let's see here. What's a second? How many minutes you got? 2 minutes. Okay. So I can't tell why it was this. That's a good sound. I'm not sure the trees is see? I'm not sure the trees are not, so I'm gonna put it back. So let's see here. Oh, skimming in the piggy. Therefore, this is supper between our home and the work. So I'll throw it back. Therefore, there's a bologna. Take a once to look. What's yummy? I think curry. Host it good. I'll be right back. I'm going to check the bridge. Okay, now let's check a scene here. Oh, almost forgot. Pizza. I'm going to take 2 pizza. So, what we're seeing here is the microwave. It's about 2 minutes. This is 15 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get in my bowl. Pretty much. Here's the bowl. Okay. This bowl right here. take 2. Peggy. Spread over. Maybe Dad come home, my dad come home, maybe we have a hot dog for supper. So Dad cooking stove. I can't do it. I can't. Now I'm gonna put it back in the bitch. Somehow. Now I'm gonna put back in the bitch. Alright. So, the microwave. Then we have some other show you that egg goes in here. I think I've moved them away here. Alright, I'll try to get them away here. Somehow. Shoot. Okay. So I'll put the microwave over here. With the full pizza. Here's the pizza. See if we can get a bigger bowl. So, I'll push 2, 15 seconds. There you go. Put it in the microwave. I'm gonna sit there and wait to work in the microwave. It's pretty cool. Oh, we're gonna get my small bit of calorie too. Hope I stay healthy. So, I think that I almost got a pack of lunch in the carry. Now I'm gonna put back in the fridge. So, we're at home in about 39 seconds, I hope. So my dad was working the shop at the 6th hour. I don't know why. I was there by myself for a full hour, no, 6. So I had to call now, test it with dad when we were going home now. God. I was just scared of the ghost. So, about 10 seconds. I'm checking in the microwave. There you go. Good stuff. I'm checking. Yeah, kind of hot now, so. There you go, it's the pizza. I wanted to show you something. I'll try and get it. There you go. See, here's the pizza. So I better get washed at once. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Have a good day.